Hello student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at home and be safe. Here I am Pranjal Madivale from KK English School, Saraswati Nagar. Today we will prepare one Rakhi for the Rakhi celebration. Let's see what material required for the Rakhi. See here two colors of wool, any color you can choose. Then some small pearls, here Fevicol, scissor, different type of pearl and different type of beads, and here big scale. Now we will start our activity. See student, here I am taking two colors and we have to take together and we have to yarn 30 times, means we have to take around 30. Times we have to take a round. Together we are putting a thread. Lightly we have to roll down. See student, our 30 rounds are ready. Now we have to cut the wool here. Now after that we have to take out easily this wool and we have to keep it like this way. After that we have to tie into middle. See student, here I am taking a small wool and we have to keep this part on this wool and we have to tie into middle. We have to tie tightly. See student, our knot is ready. Now we have to cut these all loops slowly. We have to put the needle inside this loop and we have to cut this loop gently. We have to cut it all these loops properly. Same way we have to do other side also. Okay, see student, now we have to put the finger inside this part and from this side also, and after that we have to do like this way. See, some loops are remaining, so we have to cut it properly. And now we have to cut this extra part. First we have to arrange proper all threads from both sides, and after that we have to cut this extra part. Now we are doing from other side also. Now student, we will put finger from other way also. Other way also we have to make a circle, and same way we have to cut the extra part. We have to cut this extra part. Same from other way also. See student, जब हम इसे सारे साइड से जब कटिंग करते हैं तो इस तरह से ये हमारा छोटा सा एक बॉल रेडी होता है. यू कैन से पॉम पॉम ऑल्सो. ओके, दिस वे आवर पॉम पॉम इज रेडी. नाउ यू हैव टू कट इट लिटिल बिट. जो एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट है दैट यू हैव टू कट इट प्रॉपरली. नाउ सी आवर पॉम पॉम small ball is ready for the Rakhi. Now we will do next step. See student, now here once again we have to take wool around 30 centimeter and we have to take 2 layers. See 30, same we have to from this side also, and after that we have to cut this wool from this side. After that we have to paste these two threads together by using Fevicol. फेविकॉल लगाने के बाद हमें इसे थोड़ा सा टाइटली राउंड करना है, सो इट विल बी हार्ड, ताकि हमारे बीड्स इसमें इजीली अंदर जा सकते हैं. नाउ सी इट इज़ ड्राई. नाउ वी कैन पुट द पर्ल इनसाइड दिस थ्रेड. This way we have to put the pearl. So first we have to put 4 small white pearl, and after that we have to put big one and one golden pearl bead we have to put inside. After that we have to arrange the all pearl. This way we have to see. Now golden one. See student, this way we are arranging all beads inside the thread. Now after that we have to leaving this small gap for putting pom pom. Now we have to put this pom pom inside this gap. See how to put inside. First we have to open this loop and put this pom pom inside this gap. दोनों साइड से इक्वल आना चाहिए बराबर. आफ्टर दैट ये जो बीड है, ये बीड हमें इस तरह से दोनों साइड से हमें वो टाइटली अंदर के साइड पुश करना है. सो हमारा पॉम पॉम उसमें टाइटली होल्ड करेगा. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू अरेंज दिस बीड्स प्रॉपरली from both sides. Like this way our Rakhi is ready. Now we will put the thread outside part. We are taking orange color. We have to turn on the 3 fingers at least 3 to 4 round. After that we have to cut this wool, and same way we are doing from other side part. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After that we have to put this part inside this loop, and we have to tie on this point. See student, ये हमने बोथ साइड से टाई कर लिया है. नाउ वी हैव टू कट एक्स्ट्रा थ्रेड, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू कट दिस लूप प्रॉपरली. एंड वी हैव टू कट इट इन इक्वल साइज. See, same way we are doing from other side. See student, this way our Rakhi is ready. Now you can tie your brother, your sister, your father. Okay, this way you have to prepare beautiful Rakhi. What material you are having available at home, and you have to prepare it and enjoy your Rakhi day celebration. Have a good day. Bye.